Hi friends, welcome back to our HBNet agency YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing great. And friends, today marks the beautiful beginning of Durga Puja, and on this auspicious occasion of Shoshti, we are blessed to welcome Ma Durga into our homes and hearts. So friends, as the air fills with the sounds of dhak and the streets glow with the colorful lights and the fragrance of flowers and incense surrounds us, let's come together and celebrate the joy, love and the strength that our festival brings in. May the Ma Durga bless you and your family with happiness, prosperity as well as good health. Friends, today is a wonderful festive Wednesday, and Wednesday is all about our Canva session. And friends, today I'll show you to design a beautiful poster in Canva, and you can use this template literally for all the upcoming festivals, be it from Diwali to Christmas. You just need to alter with the elements of your festival also. So friends, let's start with today's Canva designing. So friends, as you can see that we are inside the Canva dashboard, and for making the template, first of all I'll just make the background of it. Friends, if you are really interested to know the elements which I am using, then I'll tell you to watch the entire video. So let's start making the background. First of all, I'll use this image and I will set it as a background image. Now you can see this mandala art, and I'll use this and I'll pull it little bit up. Here I'll go to transparency and I'll reduce the transparency so that it mixes with the background. Now friends, you can see that this is black in color, but I want to make it something realistic so that it gets little bit nice and also looks prominent with the background color. So let's do it, and I will change it to yellow. Now friends, let us welcome our Ma Durga, that is here, okay? And I'll just place her here and I'll just put it little bit up. Now friends, I'll make the side, that is I'll just decorate the left and the right hand side, okay? For that I'll use the garland and I will place it to the left, and you can duplicate it so that you can make another copy in the right hand side. Now you can see that this upper portion is little bit vacant. Here you can use this garland option, okay? You can see it's getting properly fitted. Now let us design the other portions, that is I'll take this picture and I will put it here like this. Similarly, I'll just make a little bit here and I will just reduce the transparency of it. And here I'll just duplicate it, and you can just flip it horizontally. Make sure that these two images are aligned properly. Okay my dear friends. Now you can check that whether it is positioned in the center part or not by going to positions, and you can go to arrange and you can check it, okay? I will just put a little bit this side so that it comes perfectly. And here also you can put a little bit this side, okay? Now let us make the down portion of it, okay? In this case I'll use this man because he is very important for Durga Puja. Without his performance we cannot perform the puja itself. Now this Dhunuchi dance is also very important. I cannot ignore her also. Let us put it here. and you can see that how it is looking, that it is floating on the template, right? In this case, I'll cover it by using a little bit shade. Okay, I'll use this red shade and I will just flip it vertically, and you can pull it downward. Now just duplicate it and again pull it down and again duplicate it. Yeah, so you can see that it's looking little bit good now. Now you can see that these diyas are present here. Just pull it down so that we can make the footer portion of it. You can reduce it little bit so that it appears nicely. Next, I'll tell you to duplicate it too so that it can complete the entire poster. Okay, now I will just do it like this. And here you can see that we are covering the entire footer portion by using different types of diyas. Okay, my dear friends, let us pull it little bit this side and it's done. Now we will wish Happy Durga Puja. So let's take the text and I'll add the text box and I will change the font to Charm and I'll just write happy, and you can make this font little bit bigger size. Okay, and you can put it in the middle. Go to position and just put it in the center. I'll tell you to make it little bit white color. Okay, now you can duplicate it and you can put it down and you have to write like Durga Puja. You can pull this little bit this side and that side, and you can just go to position and put it in the center. Now the remaining part is we have to just wish it, but before wishing I'll put a element to complete the header style. Okay, and here I will put it like this. You can drag it little bit this side and also little bit that side. Okay, just do it like this and you can go to position to check that it is in the center or not. Now I'll just write the welcoming message. Okay, now friends, I'll just click on add a text box and I will just pull it downwards. Here I'll write the Durga Puja wishes. You can make it a little bit bigger and I will change this to Laura. Okay, my dear friends. Now you can position it in the center portion. And you can make it little bit in the middle and also check it is in the center. Okay, my dear friends, here I'll just make this Durga Puja little bit bold. Friends, so you can see that design is almost over. Here I'll just like to duplicate it and I will make it little bit more. If you want, you can duplicate it one more time like this, and you can go to position, go to layers, and you can put all this behind the word. Okay, now you can see that it is appearing more prominent, isn't it, my dear friends? So friends, as you can see that this letters are little bit upward. In this case, I'll go to position again and I will group all these words as well as the letters as well as this one. Just click on the group and you can just pull it downwards. Now I think it's looking fine, right? So friends, I hope that you really enjoyed this tutorial. And friends, you can also put your opinion in the comment box, like which portion of designing you love the most. You can also give your own suggestions like what all elements I would have used to make it more beautiful. You can use this tutorial to wish your friends, family, and literally each and everybody. Or you can design a template like this to share your friends and wish Happy Navaratri or Happy Durga Puja to them. You can also share your own design to us. And friends, I'll be very happy if you put a Happy Durga Puja wish in the comment box, as well as if you share your own design with us. So friends, you can purchase Elementor Pro and Divi at a very low cost, and I'll show you how to purchase it. For that, you have to go to the YouTube and you have to type like @HBNet agency. You can see our HBNet agency YouTube channel. Just click on the playlist. Here you can see a lot of playlists including Learning Elementor Pro. Also, we come with many unique website designing ideas. You can see the playlist of all the website designing ideas, and also you can learn WordPress in depth from our channel. But now I will show how you can buy Elementor Pro and Divi at a very low cost. In that case, you can go to the Elementor Pro playlist. You can see a lot of videos we have placed. You can click any of the videos. I'll click this one. I'll just see that here it is written Get Elementor Pro. Just click on More and click on this link. Now you can see we have come to the Elementor website where we can buy Elementor Pro. A lot of plan of Elementor is there from Essential, Popular, Expert and Agency. So you can buy accordingly. For agency, you can go for this plan, and also you can see the features and buy. You can also see they are providing 24/7 support. And if you click on this buy now button, you will also get some discounts. Okay, just also read all the things. You can also compare the plan features. Everything is given in detail. Okay. Now I'll show you how you can purchase Divi theme. For that, it is written that get Divi theme. Now I'll take you to the elegantthemes.com. Okay, just go there. Here you can see we have come to the Divi website. Now what we have to do? We just have to click on the pricing. See, it's written the summer sale is going on. Okay. Now you can purchase Divi yearly also and for lifetime also. If you want to purchase Divi for 1 year, in that case, click on sign up today and you can put all the add-ons here like Divi AI, Divi Cloud, Divi VIP and Divi Themes. If you don't need it, just click on no thanks, proceed to checkout, or you can click on the close button. Okay. Now I will show you how to purchase Divi Lifetime. In that case, go to back and just toggle it Divi Lifetime. Now you can see just for rupees $199 we can purchase Divi, and also we will save 20%. Okay, just click on sign up today and again the pop-up box came. If you want to purchase the Divi AI and every Divi support, then you can put 111 to the cart. If you don't need it, just click on the close button. You can create your account and put like a, just put your username. I'm putting like ABCD now, and you can click anything just like this at the rate. Just give your email ID and you can create one password and also confirm your password, and you can put your first name and the last name, and you can put your country. In that case, we are India, so it's India only. You can also purchase from your card or from the direct bank account. Okay. Now you have to click on the you agree to the terms and conditions and you can complete your registration. Okay. So this is how you will buy the Divi. Friends, tomorrow I'll come back with some new topic, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, this is Nijum signing off from HBNet Agency. Thank you, bye and have a wonderful day ahead.